In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone in Microsoft Teams. Whether it's managing your work environment more effectively or addressing personal workspace issues, you'll find this step-by-step guide both practical and straightforward. First things first, let's sign into Microsoft Teams. Begin by opening your Teams application on your computer or navigating to the Teams website. If prompted, enter your login credentials, making sure to double check that you've entered everything correctly. This simple step ensures you're in your correct account, ready to adjust your settings. Once you're logged in, let's locate the person you wish to block. You might find them in your chats or your list of team members. Take a couple of moments to find them by scrolling through your contacts, or you can use the search bar at the top if you know their name. Upon locating their profile, you'll need to hover your mouse over their name. This action should prompt a few icons to appear on the screen. Look specifically for the three-dot menu, commonly known as the More Options button, because this small but mighty icon is your gateway to additional settings concerning this contact. After clicking on these three dots, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu includes several options. For our purpose today, we are interested in the block option. Carefully scroll through the list until you find this option. When you do, simply click on it. Now it might seem straightforward, but let's delve a bit into what blocking means in this context. By blocking someone, you're effectively preventing them from contacting you directly through Teams, which can be a useful tool for managing unwanted interruptions or maintaining a professional distance when necessary. After you've clicked the block option, you should receive a confirmation prompt. This is your system's way of making sure that this is indeed what you want to do. It's always good practice to read any confirmations carefully, ensuring that you understand the changes you're about to make. Once you've reviewed the confirmation message and you're sure you want to proceed, go ahead and confirm your action. And there you have it, the person will now be blocked on Microsoft Teams. Blocking someone can be a deft solution in certain situations, granting peace of mind and helping you maintain control over your workspace interactions. Remember, blocking is not permanent, and you can always unblock someone using similar steps. Your digital space in Teams is as customizable as you need it to be, and knowing how to manage your interactions plays a key role in creating the collaborative environment that suits you best. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful.